I continued down the same path, my family history would suggest I would eventually be medicated for diabetes or high blood pressure. I started and stopped so many diets over the years, but for some reason I cannot explain, I woke up the Wednesday before Thanksgiving 2013 and knew it was going to be the day I changed for the better. That's right, the day before Thanksgiving. My wife had already had the menu planned and wasn't very happy with the timing of my decision. Through trial and error, I eventually found my way to the ketogenic lifestyle, and at the time of this recording, I was able to lose 50 pounds and keep it off. As noted earlier, I do not work in the healthcare industry. From 9 to 5, I'm actually a technical manager in the energy industry, which allows me the benefit of health insurance that I'm truly thankful for. As part of our health insurance, we are required to have yearly biometric screenings every April. This chart is the result of those screenings, and you'll notice quite an improvement since I started my journey. Although the screenings were done 1 year apart, if you recall, I didn't start the ketogenic diet until Thanksgiving 2013, and I can assure you my numbers didn't improve from April to November. If anything, they got worse. My weight dropped 14%, my BMI dropped 16%, my waist circumference also improved by 16%, and my overall cholesterol and blood pressure improved. The improvement in my biometric numbers are actually the result of 5 months of diet and exercise. Although I'm not a health or fitness professional by trade, I am educated from the school of yo-yo diets that didn't work, and I have successfully applied the ketogenic diet and lifestyle.